like it. I could not get it. Okay, got it. Yeah.
This is wild.
What do you think, Orion?
I'm dumbfounded.
Orion.
This is my daddy today. No, for the next 3 days. Orion. Hi, Mom. I'm with the kitty.
Alright, are you gonna do a home tour?
I can't figure out the lights.
I guess it was like...
Oh, that's like the master switch. That'll just turn everything on.
Oh.
Oh, is it TV?
Okay.
Oh, here we go. There's a TV in the tub.
This is what you get when you are a daddy. Okay.
Super shit.
Super spacious. Okay, open that again. Okay, that's the bank.
Oh yeah, where are all the free things? Okay, 2 dental kits, a comb, shower cap, nail kit.
Right.
This is it. We need to ask for more free things.
We can.
Oh, okay. Cotton swabs.
Let's do this.
Oh.
What do we have here?
Hair dryer.
Save. Hair dryer. Umbrella, okay. What about the bed? Okay. Review it, come on.
It's very nice.
It's very nice. Approved. And also a big mirror.
Thing.
Perfect. Mini refrigerator. Okay.
Glasses.
Ooh!
Snacks. Spill the tea.
Spill the tea. That's what we're going to do tonight, I guess.
Yeah.
And look at the view. Zalewski. Okay. I love that Polish name. And we got macaron. No, macaron.
Macaron.
Fruits. And look at the view. What do you call this again?
The Parisian?
The Parisian? Okay.
Looks better than the real Eiffel Tower.
No, I do not agree with that statement. And there is another building there. Pretty much bougie. Thank you, Daddy. How can you afford this?
It wasn't that expensive.
Oh, really? Is that instant noodle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Am I supposed to like hide it?
No. I think it's fine.
Mine's out in the open.
Hi, guys. This is awkward. Welcome back to... I don't know. But here I am with the kitty from my Mongolian vlogs. Orion. Now, I just got back from Taiwan and...
I got back from Manila.
Right, so we agreed to switch some funky snacks, but I'm not sure those are funky snacks.
I didn't know that. I just said interesting. I didn't say
Okay,
funky.
my bad. But anyways, I got you saffron. Here you go.
Okay. And here you go.
Perfect.
Right,
Yeah, that
freeze-dried
first.
strawberries.
I ate a little bit. I'm really sorry, I was
Nice.
hungry. So yeah, this is the strawberries. These are so good. I'm telling you.
Okay.
This is black garlic oil. Okay, at least it's not common.
Yeah, no.
Black garlic.
Okay.
Fancy.
Sensing green onion pancakes.
Right.
Nice.
It's like a cookie pancake.
The savory.
It's very interesting in terms of texture.
That sounds fantastic.
Right. Yeah.
Because I love it when you turn sweets into savory things.
Yeah.
I did not say that sarcastically. I mean it because I don't like sweet things. So
Same.
it's fantastic.
I'm in the same team there. Next, Hopia, my childhood snacks, mung beans, and buko pandan. Do you know
That's
what is
not
buko?
buko pandan.
It is.
Oh, it's buko pandan flavor.
Do you know what is buko?
That's the buko pandan is the jelly pandan
Yes,
with
yes.
like coconut cream on top. Yeah.
Buko means coconut.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's coconut pandan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Little things. Cognac.
Ooh.
Yeah. Have you tried cognac before?
I love this.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. You have tried it before.
Yes.
Oh, okay. There's no surprise there. Like a lot of people don't like it.
I do.
Okay. Perfect then.
I like.
But that's not funky. Okay. Next is this is very interesting. It's lingua thins, like sesame. It looks fancy though.
No, it is.
Did you get it from?
My friend's family ordered a bunch
Oh,
for me
okay.
to like take and give to people because they give them out as gifts to people.
This is so nice. Oh my god, I love sesame.
Yeah, black sesame is my favorite flavor.
Right.
And there's more.
Okay, that's just
Pineapple
very
cake.
basic. Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
It's super basic.
Beautiful.
This is
Nougat
very...
cracker, green onion.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. I'm loving the green onion thing.
And it's nougat, like it's Taiwanese nougat. I literally queued for 40 minutes to get this.
Well, thank you.
You should show them. Oh my god.
Just for me.
Yeah.
He didn't get anything for himself from this
I
place.
did not. I swear to God. I didn't even get myself from Chete. Only for people. And this one is very interesting.
Ooh, longan pastry. What
Have
is
you
longan?
have you eaten a longan before?
No.
It's like a lychee, but
Oh,
it's
okay.
like Asian lychee.
I thought lychee were Asian.
Oh, okay.
Are they not? No, I could be wrong.
Maybe because like
Okay.
tropical kind. Yeah. Anyways, that's like
Interesting.
longan. This is the fruit. If you
Okay.
there is that. So let's try. Which one do you want to try first? Let's try it.
Since it's already open, I'll have the...
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so good, man. For me. What do you think? Strawberries.
Have you ever heard of the cereal Special K?
No. Is it American thing? Okay.
It's an American like breakfast cereal with freeze-dried strawberries in it.
Mmm. Okay.
And that's what it tastes like to me.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Okay. I really want to see your reaction about this
Okay.
texture though, because it was new to me. This kind of texture. It's
Well,
okay.
It says it resealable. Okay, we need to eat all of these.
It's like individual pastel. So,
Oh, okay.
so you can take them.
Yes. Screw the environment. Smells delicious.
Okay.
Feels like a coaster.
What do you think about the texture?
It feels like a fortune cookie.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Like similar
Okay.
flavor profile. If the texture was cardboard.
Right, cardboardy. That's
Mhm.
like the yeah. That's how you
I like it.
describe it.
Good cardboard.
With green onion flavor.
Mm.
I will try this one though. Have you tried this one? Do you like it?
I love it. Retailer.
Mmm. Very light and super nutty and milky. What? Do they add milk to it? I love it.
Yeah, this isn't an American product.
Ah! And we will be exploring Macau for the next 2 days, maybe.
Maybe. Or maybe we'll just stay in this room.
Ciao, ciao from Macau. And say hi to the... Can you see it? Is it there? Yeah. Say hi to the... What tower again? Well, no, it's not Eiffel Tower.
I mean, this one is the Eiffel Tower. I think that hotel is called the Parisian.
Oh. No, she said it's the tower that we can look over. So Parisian? That's...
I still think that's better than the Eiffel Tower.
No. No.
The Eiffel Tower is a disappointment, kids.
I love Eiffel Tower. What's wrong with it? Girl, don't. A lot of my friends, like, they said they hate Paris.
Just France in general. Massive disappointment. Don't go.
Go! I love it! Oh my god! Do you also don't like Paris in general?
Paris is bad.
I don't know. What about New York?
New York's better than Paris.
Controversial for me.
Well, that's
I
because
hate New
I
York.
have my cultural connection to
Of
New
course, right. How many years you lived there?
York.
5. See? That's a strong connection there. Of course, yeah. Oh, by the way, I withdrew my Colombia application. Because I was like, I don't know if I want to hear from them.
Yeah, you'd probably get stabbed if you went there anyway.
What?
We should take this off camera. I'll publish that
Okay, anyway, say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. We'll see you tomorrow or the day after somewhere in Macau. Bye-bye.
What? Oh, okay.
No, the nail.
Nasty.